This over there is actually a butcher. Like there's a clothes shop next to it, there's a restaurant and food, and then there's a guest house, and then there is something else. What is he making? What's this? Assalamu alaikum. What is this?
This is Sharbat Muhammad.
Sorry?
This is Sharbat Muhammad.
Okay. Not sure what he said, but we're gonna try. Can I have, how much is it? 30? Can I try one? It's just so random. I just had lassi, now we're having this. There's not gonna be any room for food. It's pink. It's good? It's good? Give me one. Thank you. Taste this. Oh, there's a lot of watermelon. You can taste it. I can see the picture as well. It's watermelon. And there's like chunks of watermelon as well. Yeah. I'm getting those chunks cold as well, because there's obviously the ice. But I think the ice, they buy it. It's not, they're not making it just the way how the cube is, maybe. I'm just assuming. So good. You get like, he puts in like the fresh watermelon on it in slices, because like there's a lot of chunks there, you can see. And then I think he mixed it like with the milk, and a bit of sugar maybe. Oh, those syrup here he's got. Very nice. And you see it all over this place. Man, look at those cables. Oh my god, I just noticed them. That was amazing, but I decided to get out of the main street just because it's really loud and noisy, taking a break from it. And oh, there's a barber here. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. There's a barber here. Oh man. Everything is random in this part of the world. You never plan for anything. Ah, okay, that's perfume shops here. Those are like the way. Assalamu alaikum. All this here. There's alcohol free. They come in different fragrances. There's so many. There's a few here. Oh no, that was the only shop actually. I thought that was the market for it. Very nice. I like exploring these alleys. Find a lot of hidden gems. Right, let's go this way.